Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in SURAJ School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on invitation writing. In my last video, I told you about the definition of invitation and after that parts of invitation, formal, informal, and after that I told you about the structure of formal printed invitation. In today's video now I am going to tell you an example which is based on formal printed invitation. Okay. Invitations are of two types, formal and informal. Formal and informal. Formal invitation we can divide into two parts, formal printed, formal not printed. Okay. This is the structure of formal printed invitation. In formal printed invitation, first of all we should mention host, after that we should mention occasion, after that we should mention detail, after that we should mention contact detail, after that we should make a box. Okay, this is the structure of formal printed invitation. Okay, this is an example which is based on formal printed invitation. First of all, you read the question in a proper way. You are Ravi Raj. You are Ravi Raj. You are Ravi Raj, son of Sri Dharamraj of Greater Kailash, New Delhi. Your father wants you to draft a formal invitation to be sent on the occasion of your sister Anita Raj's marriage. Prepare the invitation. Okay, this is the question, and after that we should write formal printed invitation in this way. Okay, according to the question, first of all we should mention name of the host. According to the question, Mr. and Mrs. Dharamraj Sharma, host. Okay, and after that this is the introductory line. Request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage. Marriage is occasion. Okay, of their daughter Anita Raj. These are details. Okay, Anita Raj with Naresh. If no name of the if any detail is not given in the question, you can write detail according to your own way. Okay. Okay. Son of Mr. and Mrs. R.K. Sharma on Friday 28th Jan 2022. Okay. At ABC Hotel XYZ. After that you should mention RSVP in the left side of the page. RSVP, the full form of RSVP, response cell voice plate. Okay, after RSVP you should mention name of the host, phone number with best and in the right side of RSVP You should mention with best compliments from all relatives and friends. Okay. In this example, all four steps are followed. First step is host. Second step is occasion. Okay. And after that, third step, detail. Okay. Details. Okay. These are details. And after details, the last part, contact details. Clear? In formal printed invitation, we should remember that we should follow these points in a sequence. First of all, host, occasion, details, and contact details. Okay. In today's video, we have discussed an example which is based on formal printed invitation. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.